Here's another drawing for a artfight minigame, Draw to Adopt. This one's like a bird thing that has legs, 4 legs and no wings or something. So I made it like being like running through the forest. And like having fun running. I tried my best with the background. You can see the grid thing that I drew so that I could maybe get a more natural looking background instead of like being too straight. And yeah, here I'm lining it, doing the feet, doing the tail, doing the colors. I think I had a bit of a problem with the yellow thing on the back, the yellow spots on the back. And then the beak, I had to kind of guess at what the inside of the beak would look like. And then drawing in the shadows. And then I think I'm blending out the shadows. And then adding the highlights. And then adding texture to the trees and shading so that the trees actually look like trees. And then adding some bushes to hopefully make it a bit more interesting. And that's that.